I'm about to drive this damn monster truck around. Start to break some shit up. That's what I do. I break shit up. Yeah. I'm about to drive this monster truck. Dwayne is sitting on the passenger side like a chump, because that's what he was told. That's what he was told. To be honest with everybody in the back that's coming along for the ride, I can't see over the wheel. Fuck it. I have no idea what's going on out here.
Oh, Jesus. Here we go. Step inside of the monster truck. Oh, yes! Yeah! Yeah!
You Vespa.
I'm gonna crush it.
Ow! Yes! Hey, nope, you're pushing it.
I'm pushing it.
Yep, clearly pushing it. Yeah! Good job, DJ! Oh yeah, time to make black people mad. DJ's
Yeah, just
turn.
scoot over. Yeah.
Yeah. Watch your foot, DJ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go. Ready?
Yeah, I hate doing this, but I have to do it.
Hey man, that's my face, man.
I love you, Kevin.
Oh man, you just crushed my face. I call that killing. They wouldn't let me crush shit. You talking about go up to it and try to tap it, look, so fall over. I'm supposed to be crushing shit. Let me crush some shit.
All right.
I'm going through
All
the
right.
Reverse it! Reverse it! I need to come in hot! Oh, it's gonna crush. It's a crushing.
He's about to crush this shit.
Ah, man, this shit's a
There.
Weighs about 11,000 pounds.
Woo!
500 horsepower.
Ow! Tires are at least 5'5".